Hi there! Since broccoli is in season, let's make broccoli aloo adraki. The broccoli and potatoes are cooked with spices and ginger to make a delicious Indian style sabzi. My favorite. A super easy recipe that you'll be able to enjoy very much. To support my channel, do subscribe. Click the bell icon to get updates. The ingredients first. The broccoli was 400 grams and I just cut them along with the stalk on the florets. Long pieces. 1 large potato cut into long chunky pieces. 1 small onion sliced thinly. Chopped green chilies according to your taste. Half a tablespoon of grated ginger. Some thinly sliced juliennes of ginger. This is about 1/4 cup of cheese. Any regular cheese, processed cheese will do. Cut into tiny cubes and some coriander leaves. I'll tell you about the spices as we go along. So I'll heat my pan. About 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. You could cook this with vegetable oil or even extra virgin olive oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'll temper it with half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera, add in the sliced onion next. Cook till light brown in color. I'll also add in a pinch of salt. Once the onions are done, let's add in the potatoes. We'll cook them with the onions for a couple of minutes. Then lower the heat and add in fresh tomato paste. That's 2 tomatoes that I have made into a paste. I'll add in the green chilies and the ginger, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, jeera, red chili powder according to your taste, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, chaat masala powder, 3/4 teaspoon. Increase the heat and cook till the oil separates. That looks perfect. Let's add in the broccoli, all of it. Cook the broccoli along with the potatoes and the masala for a couple of minutes. That smells really good. I can smell the ginger. Season it with more salt. We had already added a bit of salt, so be careful. Add in about a cup of water. We'll bring that to a boil. Time to cover it and cook on medium heat. Let's check on it. That's coming along well. I'll put the lid back and cook on low. The veggies are done. So we need to cook the water away. And just a slight gravy will do. Turn up the heat to reduce the water. That's done. I'll turn off the heat. Add in the tiny cheese cubes. I've just reserved a few for garnish. This really adds a special touch to the dish. Quick mix. Sprinkle a pinch of garam masala on top. The cheese has all melted and blended in with the veggies. Some tiny cheese cubes on top as garnish. Coriander leaves. strips of ginger. Serve it hot with roti, paratha, puri, or even a rice dish, and enjoy.